Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I appreciate every minute you spend on this channel to watch my videos. And if you're kind of like new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified, or you personally will be the first person to get notified and watch my new video. So here in this video, we're going to be discussing about how to make money on Fiverr for being a personal stylist. So I don't know if you understand what that actually means, but of course I'm going to check and see what personal stylist is all about and how you can offer that kind of service on Fiverr marketplace. So yeah, you're going to head up to Google and search for what personal stylist. So we'll see what is it all about and what they do. Okay, so yeah, what does a personal stylist do? Okay, yeah, so a personal stylist help clients create the most suitable image by choosing clothes and accessories that fit clients' body types and individual needs. So they may also provide style advice and assist with hair or aim makeup and even home decor. And then personal stylists should be flexible and willing to travel. So but that part, the last part is not actually necessary, so because you might not be traveling, so you can just do this online as virtually. So that's why we are going to try this kind of method to and use it to make money on Fiverr marketplace. So yeah, I'll head up to Fiverr now. I think, what else do we need to check here? How does a personal stylist makes money? So a personal stylist pay pay is determined by project, so and it greatly depends on your strength and the stylist, your number of clients and your marketing techniques. So the price you charge per session is up to you, and the stylist can charge anywhere from 20 bucks an hour to $2,000 based on their skills and demand. So I think with this you have enough insight on what personal stylist actually means and how they can earn money. So here we are going to head up to Fiverr again. Then we check on the lifestyle category. Then you can see here it's a new service, or it's a new category that was just added to Fiverr. So the competition is kind of like very low, and if you get started today, so definitely you are going to make a lot of money in this. So here you can see we have personal stylist. Then get personal styling advice for any occasion from fashion expert. So you can see how it works here, but of course we have already go through that, so we don't need to check that again. Then of course yeah, you can see these are kind of like less than less than thousands of service already, or I should say less than thousands of gigs here on Fiverr offering this kind of service. And so you can see some gigs and their price as well. So and they have reviews already, so you can see here. I was going to check, then I'll open each and every of the gigs to you, so we check on the description to see what they're actually doing. So like what we read before, so you can charge any amount you like based on your experience. So you can see this seller is charging 35 bucks for basic package. So and some others are there charging lesser, and some are charging more than that. So and this seller also have three others in queue. So you can see the basic package says 3 looks, so that's 3 styles, maximum 3 curated looks with personal styling tips and a look book for your future reference. So and this is the premium package, 100 bucks, so 10 accurate or curated looks. Then the standard as well goes for 6 looks. So then this is the gig description and what the gig is all about. If you purchase the kind of service on Fiverr, so this gig is for you if you have a closet full of clothes yet you don't find anything to wear, like you don't know what to wear, so you don't know anything about clothing or styling. So you can see, and this seller is from India. Then she's been on Fiverr since 2020 November. Then overall review is 38. So, and then everything is so perfect, so she maintained the 5 star, and definitely people want to hire her to style them. So you can see this kind of winter dress, so for men, women's wear. So you can see, then this is a band shake, I don't know. So yeah, you can see the types. So that's that for that gig. So then let's check another one and see. Let's check on this $5 gig. And okay, so this is 2 orders in queue. Then well, 3 outfits for $5, 6 outfits for $10, and then 10 outfits with 5 PSs. Okay, so then you can see that's $15. So it depends on how you actually the client actually want to look. So, and the market is kind of competitive, you know, so you can see different type of prices here on Fiverr. So it depends on the one that actually looks good to buyer. So that's it. So is there anything I think I should share with you, or like you can get started today, like just get started if you have how to, if you know how to actually offer this kind of service. So just advise you to start, because the service is getting gigs every day, and people are creating gigs on it as well. So if you start today, so definitely you might be the next person to get hired for personal stylist. Then, because I can even see that this account is kind of like new. It's kind of like new. So Austria, uh, July 2020. Well, I'm sure just started creating gigs on this. So so you can get started today, and then believe me, you're going to make money on this. You're going to make money on this. So because the old stuff is still not saturated at all, not like all other gigs like that. So create an account, then market yourself on social media platforms. So then before you know, you start making money on this. So you can see this one as well, that's $120. So even though there are some gigs that are not actually related to this kind of service, but of course, if a buyer actually find it so interested, so they're going to hire that person. So thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.